Hey, fellow entrepreneurs, want to unlock the secrets to wealth and success that have transformed millions of lives out there? Yeah. What if I told you that the book Think and Grow Rich holds a surprising secret that could do just that could completely change your life? Well, today I'm diving deep into two powerful lessons and one rarely discussed secret from this iconic book. These aren't just tips, ladies and gentlemen. These are game changers for both your financial and your personal growth. Lesson one from the book Think and Grow Rich is all about the power of desire. Napoleon Hill emphasized that clear, strong desire, it's not just a want, it's a need that you must pursue with a plan and with persistence. It's all about setting your goal, burning the ships, and going all in, never once looking back. The second lesson is the mastery over procrastination. Hill teaches that the habit of reaching decisions promptly and the habit of reaching them definitively and then changing those decisions very slowly, if at all, is really the crucial principle of success. It's about making up your mind quickly and then changing it slowly. Now, let's talk about that surprising secret I mentioned. Did you know that the book Think and Grow Rich talks about a sixth sense? And obviously it's not talking about the movie. Really, this mysterious chapter reveals how the sixth sense will guard you against all dangers and guide you through all opportunities. It's all about tapping into your subconscious, opening yourselves up to insights and intuitions that could lead to groundbreaking decisions. Implementing these lessons, my friends, has personally transformed the way I approach my goals and my decisions. It allows me to align them more closely with my deepest intuitions and, of course, my inner desires and dreams. Here's the thing. These insights from the book Think and Grow Rich, they're not just theories. They are practical approaches to achieving wealth and success in your life right now. So here's the question. Which of these lessons or any of the lessons that are in the book resonate most with you? And how have you or will you apply them in your journey? Share your thoughts down below in the comments. And if you're looking for more transformative strategies, go ahead and click the link in my bio to dive deeper. And of course, don't forget to like and follow for more life-changing content. Think successfully and take action.